My country people, this Nollywood superstar and a movie producer Zubby Micheal, popularly known as Zubby Micheal, aka Zendaya, don't throw a lot of controversy since yesterday, as many people don't dey drag am say why you go wear this kind clothes go junior post burial. Why be say everybody put on black, now only you come put on red? A lot of dragging from Nigerians. Even some people come dey drag am say why you go even carry security and this fine moto go the burial, say he no dey mourn. If to say he dey mourn like Ruby or Jacko, if or no dey show off. Nigeria Suzukwanu Nike. Una for kukuma asking why he dey breathe. Make una rest. People dey mourn JP. Some even dey tell am say why be say he enter and all attentions were drawn to him. Say wetin he carry go there. My people no be small thing. Make una leave this man alone now. People dey mourn differently. First, it was Angelo Okoye saying that Zubby Micheal dey happy say Junior Pope bye. So because say Junior Pope and Zubby Micheal no be friends again, now why Angelo Okoye dey come conclude say Zubby Micheal dey happy say Junior Pope bye. A lot of controversy from different people. No be small thing. But people came for this guy. People really love this guy. Why would people love him? Because the guy self na pure happy child. See all the celebrity for the ground. This one and him friend Dave Oboni, he dey take picture with some people wey come for the burial. Yesterday was indeed a sadden day, but thank God everything went successful. Everybody went home peacefully. And Junior Pope has been laid to rest to meet his creator. See man now. Swag Nation, king of Swag Nation. Pope is dope. Pope lives on. Give me your rag and I will swag on them. Man, we remember everybody. If you come and set now, so you go dey greet both young, old. He no dey carry shoulder at all. Say he don't make am before you, so he no go dey greet you. No, if you come set now, so you go carry. They go up and down. They greet everybody. Man get heart now. He talk say man no be God. Why I no go humble? God created me like this. I come this far. Why I no go humble? See as everybody just dey shine teeth. The guy was loved. Like Pope is dope. Give me your rago and I will swag on them. Swag Nation. Hello. Pope lives on. Continue to rest, man. I pray that God Almighty continue to give your family the strength to bear the loss, this great loss. You will be missed, but in all things, God knows the best. Okay, guys, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more wenge news with the tutorial body. Una know as you dey do am for here. For my page na Proko News I dey share updates where they give body tutorial. Now I dey share. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. It dey give me one kind of encouragement to continue. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Gist TV. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Oh yeah, now. Bye.